AI trading on eToro. eToro's AI-focused smart portfolios offer distinct advantages for investors interested in artificial intelligence as a growth sector or for those looking to leverage AI-driven decision-making in their investment strategies. The AI Revolution Smart Portfolio invests 75% in AI technology providers and 25% in users of AI, rebalancing annually with a $500 minimum. Or you can use the link in the description to get a free demo account to try investing risk-free. As of April 30, 2024, the portfolio has an annualized return of 30.17%, a Sharpe ratio of 1.26, a Sortino ratio of 2.70, 60% winning months, a 0.92 correlation with the Index AI and Big Data Index, is primarily composed of information technology, 72.4%, with significant geographic exposure to the United States, 85.4%, and top holdings in NVIDIA, 5.52%, Taiwan Semiconductor, 4.64%, and Micron Technology, 4.60%, recommended for long-term investors focused on the AI sector's growth. AI-managed portfolios, such as Gainer's Quarter, replicate top trader strategies, requiring a $5,000 minimum and quarterly rebalancing. The portfolio, with an annualized total return of 11.32%, Sharpe ratio of 1.21, Sortino ratio of 2.50, and 63.92% winning months, consists of diversified assets including stocks, forex, indices, commodities, and crypto, and is suitable for investors aiming to leverage the expertise of eToro's elite traders. Outsmart NSDQ aims to outperform the Nasdaq 100 by analyzing trader sentiment, also with a $500 start and regular rebalancing. The portfolio has an annualized total return of 17.36%, a Sharpe ratio of 0.71, a Sortino ratio of 1.00, wins 59.49% of months, is 80% correlated with the Nasdaq 100, primarily holds Apple, Alphabet, and Microsoft, focuses on IT and communication services sectors, and is predominantly US-based, ideal for investors seeking to outperform the Nasdaq 100 with an AI-driven strategy. Altia Investment focuses on large-cap equities in Europe and the US, utilizing AI for dynamic market adaptation. eToro protects your account and investments with SSL encryption, two-factor authentication, and segregated accounts at top-tier banks, and offers insurance up to €1 million or Australian dollars for eligible members, covering cash, CFDs, and securities, with additional compensation schemes from the UK FSCS and Cyprus ICF. You can try AI trading on eToro risk-free by signing up for a $100,000 demo account with the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more reviews.